There was a form of Edinburgh Kingwood Media on YouTube and Kingwood Sports on TikTok. And that year, a year, Mamma named Richardo Suarez Pepe, our Akuma Sports, or Akuma FM. Abo a year Otumfuo Nana Osei Tutu. Abaso pa. Oh, Asante Kotoko YouTube development. Wabo a former IMC. Any current IMC, which is outgoing IMC Abaso. Awo opepa mutumi develop a year Kumasi Asante Kotoko. A year youth team. Because we said this season a youth team no more but home more than year papa. Mutumi qualify for Middle League. Na ebe kaya this weekend. Kumasi Asante Kotoko any a year 11 wonders. A year match na eba so no. Kotoko we need 2 goals by 0. And those 2 goals were all scored by the youth team players. Which Richardo Suarez Pepe say we will come once a man can but or the radias say okay some no can you be reporting ma kwame chain the can win no. It has finally paid off. It has finally paid off. It's only the na se de nyina no or the ma eye Asante hene Otumfuo Osei Tutu say owo papa so betumi develop a Kotoko youth team no because they are the pillar, they are the future of commercial Asante Kotoko. Because uko team be say Barcelona, they don't depend much on say Yakwa Bontia Koto players. Most of their dependents are based on their youth team. Into Otumfuo Nana Osei Tutu say wetie Kotoko sufre I was starting developing a youth team no. Na Nempai Bonne say some few years to come no. Kotoko youth team players no will become players are very important to Kotoko, Kotoko and Ghana national team Black Stars as a whole. And so that Otumfuo Osei Tutu as a Mummy Unquotie Richardo Suarez Pepe Abra Omeki the submission Akuma Sports and then we Unquotie never sample CCR.
Twenty years is here now. Young Fajumedino, and for a show. Oh, dear 10 years. Your company for account was a baby, penny. Echo to Buno. Or the Akura could see a Bruce and Trosso 20 so crab Japan. Now, and I am so happy. I am so proud that in Zambia, yet you are not too mubie. Now I am manifesting of Japan. Unasa. No one yaji.
Fantastic.
Nippon Bomu and Yachum as some by now can not probia 17 was what town. And no one will be. Yan to because your mom, but they should learn.
Sure.
And understand that sometimes you may disagree with somebody. It is normal. Such a mistake was a jump one can't jump academia. When I'm in Yadra, I am normal because just I'm no Yadine. Now, no just said my term and answer me new at them, especially so in Yansenia. In near term, 87.9. Okay, I dear about Kwame, Dr. Che administration, Branner Dr. Jingua. Make was some caca, and my maybe people catch Dr. Che and Pepin Watano. We are dear Yami. Na me tana je na manya de and me tama tano no de ba tie free no ade ba kwa busapanyi me ne na amposa administration e kon so ane say krata na e fa o madwuma krata na appointed board na fa na dwuma it was enshrined in that letter that appointment letter say woman to youth team.
Yes.
Me can was some paisan say I didn't see any effort from Nana Amponsa. I didn't see any effort from Dr. Che. Time and Dr. Che Inquano. Any time Dr. Che by board chairman. Emma now. Ebe see you. They did not do anything about. In 3 years of Japan, 3 years. Tinana me catch us no question say. Nana up in Krabai. FA Cup back in 3 years. Kana I hope 15 over 100. Upa Kraber be at 20. When you apply 25 of Japan. In terms of performance and winning in 3 seasons, I am not sure. Sanana Penkra, Abeye Bibia, a strong Kwaye Hubida. But the nano me catch us up Japan, Adiaba Kwana Penkra ya. Will be entering Jim Frino. Esa instructional. Ya the man from Manchester until you've team. Nampa. Adia, and the confident to me and your way. And today, I'm a cousin and Penkra feeling very proud of himself when it comes to implementing the youth team policy. But in terms of trophies, I'm Japan on to me and you're proud. Say, why is it trophy? Don't you trophy? FA Cup back. Oh, yeah, is it to send a President Cup and you're quite Toyota Cup and your Macajas and your cup, young kind of cream. You're brainy a passport as a man. Never never catches there. Go for me frost or Marco preseason or Netherlands. Also, co preseason will keep us a Bentino. Yamabo born a cup is Okajiba, young kind cow trophy. Young Yasa Breno. Cream your boy FA Cup. Your ball league. Okay, and up and cry in a count champion of champions. I'm going to free by any go stars. It's no count. The 2 major titles, you bet Maka, Bakuya major, Bakuya minor, but almost 2 titles. But I was paying the youth team Nadia. It is something that the administration Yomukui, they should be proud of it. Now, never again should an administration come. No more cool as this idea. Dr. Chedi 2 years or already 10 years. And when we justify your inclusive is over Kaya. Minya Richard Manu 1990. I'm a fan coach. I'm a fan George Asare. Coach. Ebra. Nana Mposaba, I know my recruitment read ho. No more contract. And for you see Emma Nana ne George Asare Munya issues. No more chum later be almost justify. Babe Masoda.
Yes, sir.
Look at this picture on the Facebook screen. Asante Kotoko head coach, interim head coach. Hey, Hamza Obey.
Yes.
Hamza or Asante Kotoko, head of youth team coaching,
Okay.
Do you Kotoko youth team? Na appointment letter, the man, there was also on a head coach at the Kotoko youth team.
Yeah.
And Esan say, and Nano, Yechiremo as a appointment of coaches near the board say, I am Simon Train, see, I am here, you have permanent coach about. And you know, Prince also call, Esa Hamza stepping in and was stepping in.
Yes, sir.
And now Baba has posted you. Nankofonia J. No more Baba so. Nam say, because supporters be and say, oh yeah, and I got to call. Said you mentioned running no macan tra. And no more Baba so. Baby, refuse on because it is a policy from Mensha Palace. So got to any youth team of Japan. Running youth team of Chrome of Japan, enough for more.
Debbie.
So we are aware, sir, His Royal Majesty at the Timbers at the youth team.
Yeah.
Sir, accommodation facility no kwaji for me sound. Senior players rebel now about 25 or 24 rooms are or customers and reserve and for man so
Yeah.
Last season on my ball Division 3 league. They won their zone.
Yeah.
They were not able to progress from the middle league. This season was a penny almost Swaje almost only be I'm middle league. Now them say players that ball last season, about 5 of them. Me know Kasamu United.
Wow.
Boys from ball last season, they must Asante Kotoko youth team no. E mu be num dia Japan, one e wo United. And you know more striker be near friend Abdul Isaka. Oh ko. No more a branch and did ready did any ready. Ni didn't do voca but on your ready. Has of voca of radio voca by. O voca no okwawobi.
Yeah.
Vitos. Omokofa Solomon Kwakusa.
Yeah.
Kante Basabasa no. Former captain de ma Asante Senior High School. And Osei Tutu. Akwadano Abusapanyi wano ewo okwo. Etuamo the 5 of the players ekoma okwo. Ah mo division 1 mo bi pa.
Fantastic.
And Hamza say scouting foforo. And wafa nkwada.
Yes.
And omo de omabo league no magye. Na nra ni kasam ne sen fonyi adaso yi. Asante Kotoko coach na out of 20 first team players who say match day squad they say 20. And wafa 5 youth team players and wafa 15 senior team players.
Wow.
And this is a picture that I love to see. 5 youth team players. Coach Hamza Obi Mohammed. Ediomo Eura the match they scored.
Wow.
2 of them started. Yeah, started second half round or the third player back on. There were 3 youth team players and I could go Nigos, and Rana is something that I was so proud of. The boy in jersey number 39 on a share 14 goals in 9 games. Division 3 league. Anthony Diarono. Onimbono Bopa.
Wow.
Osha Nkwade lost num. Osha Abrancheren was starting as right back. Abu Adams num. It is the vision of His Royal Majesty that was implemented by the outgoing IMC of Asante Kotoko. And Abjapani Away, me jam platform is so. Said the debut ha, me bam said an apple had young koyi. Near Kano. And then my platform cases. I mean, salutu, Nanapika and the management say, as someone that up him Swakoma so, what would you Chinebiano? Kofa Krata appointed Dr. J as Kotko chairman. Uya Kofa Kratana appointed Dr. J as Kotko board chair. No me in an ampozano. A woman say, Omo establish a youth team. Omanye, Nanapika Baye, Asasia Eswaba. Nabusia, Mamin Kasemwe. Men put the situation where people are thinking is that SNS easy. Ebi ana Kotoko the youth team players no. Kotoko mfa be 15. No mfa senior players bi ensan kan Kotoko be we. Kanu kura kira damfo. Enya se o the youth team for no na sisi kura hu hia se beto player. Eti e fan kura na ya mfa senior players bi no wa we akọ relegation Kotoko akọ relegation. And so many more. There's a certain process. Now, Kotoko's target, youth team we should never be about and cry when the target of Asante Kotoko our project way is to get agents. Your boss is where we are. Hamza Mobo here we are. As a Kotoko Timinya invitational youth invitational tournament in bonus pay no. They are about Italy. They are about Sweden. They are about Norway. They are about UK. And so much in Japan. Now, because you've seen Aqua Bruchri. Every more common quad 30 ako. No Macobo or more bano. Not teams not a gen crown by a do. Normally 20 Asamba. 5 years' time, over 2 years a Kotoko player, about La Liga no team way. Kotoko player boss Syria no ha. Kotoko and on the Yesika Japanya, Jinja and Tonidia, and over to Kampoku, and on in Boche, Abetamwa, and Yasanet, and Sanson Yanokre. Men Pai Bonasa Kotoko Benya agencies, I guess, yeah. Now Kotoko Adam Quadawi, Abama agent of Japani. Or what the links are, Nanya agency been a far. Somewhere, about Santa Vigo. So, Kotoko, links review Germany. I was France. I was Italy. I was Spain. I was Sweden. Norway. What has I as Anthony Diano? Ebia Kotoko, I don't know. Kotoko, 50,000 euros. And Aquadana Pajama. Obey the